Hey Zebra family, how's it going? New Year's is coming up soon, and get that little midnight snack to hold you over. We're gonna make a pizza. How's that sound? Sounds wonderful to me. Let's do this. I like to do it quick, easy pizza dough, so I use the Shawnee Mills pizza dough mix. And then after you let it sit for about 7 minutes, you got this beautiful piece of crust here. Now we're gonna roll this out and flatten it out to your thickness. How thick do you like your pizza? So I like my pizza like a nice thin crust. So what I do is I take my parchment paper to keep my area clean and kind of just fold it over. And then I press. You can use a rolling pin here, roll it out as thin, as thick as you want. I like a hand tossed pizza. So I start with the center and I keep rolling out, getting it thinner and thinner, and it widens. I can pull the parchment paper back and peel my pizza dough off, and then I will start working my pizza dough. Now I will stretch it slowly because we don't want our pizza to break. Make sure your pan is oiled. From this, see, we can do nice stuff. Really don't try that at home, you'll probably get in trouble. So we stretch it out, we lay it on the pizza pan. Square pizzas, round pizzas, this is totally up to you. I like to get a nice thick crust. So I make a crust all the way around my pizza. So here, we're gonna start with some sauce. Now, you can go 2 different ways on the sauce. You can go your traditional red marinara sauce, or you can do an Alfredo sauce. So we're gonna make a traditional pizza with original pizza sauce. So we just take enough to cover our pizza. We always place it here in the center, and we work our way out. We work it all the way to the edges. You wanna leave a little bit not on the edge so you can have that nice crust. Everybody likes the crust. From here, you can go many different ways. So on my pizza, I'm more of a supreme guy. I love the veggies. I love the meats. So we're gonna start off with cheese. Now you don't wanna go too heavy on cheese. You can over cheese your pizza and it won't cook in the center. And you're gonna spread that all the way around the pizza itself, even a little bit on the crust. Because sometimes the cheese on the pizza crust is like the best thing ever. So from here, we're gonna throw on some veggies. I got some bell peppers right here. It's just a nice sprinkle. And then I got some onions. Mushrooms. And then we start with the meats. Now you can either go with sausage, or you can go with pepperoni, ham, beef. There's so many options out there. Even smoked sausage is great on a pizza. But right now, we're just gonna put some sausage on there and then top it off with our pepperonis. Spread them out, they can overlap, it's okay. And it's really just that simple. So I'm gonna take this pizza, I'm gonna throw it into the oven about 400 degrees for about 8 to 10 minutes. Stay with me. All right, Zebra family, here it is. Our pizza ready to go. It looks absolutely delicious. We're gonna take a couple slices out of it. As you see, our crust is nice and golden brown all the way through. Our bottom is done. We'll make this our own personal pizza for the night. Enjoy some fireworks, watch the ball drop, and say once again, it's a great day to be a Zebra.